Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Kamala Harris?
I just want to let you know I'm here to support local business. What are you guys doing here?
You're in a nail salon.
Oh, you guys do nails? Okay. Well, my family member also used to do nails. Yeah, I'm also part Asian. That's why we all do nails.
What you need today?
You guys do nails and pedicure? Okay, well, I think I'm gonna just get a pedicure today. Yeah, just to support local business.
You just want a pedicure?
You guys are lovely people. You know what? We look like brothers and sisters, cousins and relatives, whatever you want to call it. I'm on your team. Yeah, I'll be over there. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Okay. How's your service? Everything's good?
What a lovely salon you guys have. Beautiful. I remember growing up, I used to go to a nail salon and it doesn't look anything like this. You guys are lovely people. I wish your business, do well. I'm here for the middle class. I'm here to help, lower the inflation. But while I'm here, I figure I'll get a pedicure and support local business. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, that's nice.
You like. You're a beautiful hoe. Thank you.
My name not Ho no more. My name Holly.